In today's video, I will walk you through how to grab objects in Canva using Magic Grab. Click on the image you want to edit. At the top of the screen, select Edit. In the Magic Studio section, scroll to the right until you find Magic Grab. This feature is available for Canva Pro users only, so if you are using the free plan, you would need to upgrade to Canva Pro to access it. Inside Magic Grab, you can grab objects from an image and move them to a different location. Start by selecting the Brush option. Then brush over the object you want to move. In this example, brush over the object until the entire object is selected. Once the object has been selected, grab it and move it anywhere on the image. You can reposition it anywhere else you prefer. You can also resize the object by enlarging it or shrinking it directly on the canvas. After that, go back to the Magic Grab panel. This time, select the Click option. With this option, Canva automatically identifies major objects in the image and tries to detect which object you want to move. For example, if you want to move another object, click on it. In some cases, Canva may only select part of the object or identify the wrong area. If that happens, switch back to the Brush option and manually brush over instead. After brushing over the object, grab it and move it to a different location on the image. Position it anywhere you want on the canvas. You can also use the foreground option inside Magic Grab. When you select this option, Canva automatically detects the main object in the foreground of the image. In this example, Canva identifies the two cars as the foreground object. Grab the cars and move it around the image just like before. You can also resize it by making it larger or smaller directly on the canvas. If you want, you can also change the colors of the cars after moving it. Adjust the object however you like until you get the final result you want.